Guys, kapak na tayo. Meron tayong pupuntang lugar. Todo! So dami. Yun, karga muna tayo ng bagahe. Peace out. Yun guys, nakakarga na guys. Airport na kami. Where's your sugat? Where's your sugat?
Here.
Oh no, you don't have a sugat there.
I need to check.
Bagong.
I need to check.
Sana all mayaman. Daming maleta. Molito yon.
Tuloy na, may boarding pass na.
Hinihiling po namin ang inyong pakikiisa sa pagpapanatili ng kaligtasan at respeto.
1 hour later.
Here to Manila. We are now proceeding towards the Terminal 3 for our proper parking and safe disembarkation. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 27 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
Dylan, are you afraid or no?
No?
Because Dylan is a big boy and a brave boy.
Yun, muwa muna kami. Tambay-tambay. Kasi mamaya pa yung flight eh.
Seryoso siya.
Aren't you tired?
Sinapit niya rin talaga.
D! What's that? What's that? The dog?
Yes. Go.
Utopia. Asia Mall. Utopia. Ano lang, tingin-tingin lang, pasyal.
Maraming salamat po.
Ano na po namin, second plane. Gawin po na point to
The
Seoul.
power bank during the flight is strictly prohibited. Power banks must remain switched off.
Kami, Korea, airport.
You forgot your bag? Mommy, Mommy, you got your
Hindi,
bag?
hi.
Hi.
Going to sakay there. Train to Terminal 1. Nakunin namin yung mga baggage. Eddie! Ito kami sa airport. Palabas na kami. Maghanap kami ng money change, then service. Time 1:20 ng madaling araw. Advance ng isang oras. Yun lang. Bye. Dami. Guys, sa labas na kami ng airport. Para ka naka-aircon. Mas malamig pa rito. Wadi?
Nalungkot ako. Wala yung welcome to Korea.
Korea guys. Ganda dito guys. Lamig na ba? Parang aircon. parang aircon. Dito lang ha, dito lang. Don't go there.
Ayong biyahe niya noon.
The next day.
Agoy! Togoy, Togoy, Togoy. Hindi ka lang. Hindi lang. I'm ready. Hi. Bili kami ng card, train card and bus card dito sa CS 25. Tayo tawid. Tayo dun. Hello. Di, sleep na ikaw, di. Manalo ako sa palpay. Malaking ginagawang samurai. Si si Alucard. Alucard ba to? Card, baba dyan Alucard. ID. Hi guys.
Hi. We're just exploring Hongdae. Hongdae. Yeah.
Hi D. Hi Lola. Mami.
Ay, hindi ba yan? Overlap dito. 1, 2, 3, Dylan. Ito pa ang kit-kit.
May ganyan din sa Pastorias.
Filler. Eva. Si Mama.
Makyado ako.
Ang cute. Gusto ko rin dyan, girl.
1, 2, 3. Ganda.
1, 2, 3.
Ay, ito.
Very good.
Malaki ko mag-yoga.
This, like this up. Here. You go here. Would you think my connection's to the place? Would you think...
Yan.
Hindi ako kasaba to. Yan na. 1, 2, go here.
Wala, lubat na.
Yan, tama na. 1, 2, 3. Okay na. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay. Ano yan? Gaso ng kapton? Babay, tas lampas tayo kay Bebe. Babay na di babay.
Bye-bye. Sure ka naman nandiyan yung taas. Kasi hindi tayo kumandag na.
Rides na.
Nakaupo rin.
Kami back. Balik na kami sa hideout.
And she's bananas. Daddy, and she's bananas. Daddy, I need to see.
Time check. Time check is 7:25 plus 1, 8:25. So nakalagay dyan is 8,000. Kulang ko lang 9,000 step. Yun. Bawi na kami. So pagod na, lobat na. And bibili na lang kami sa 7-Eleven for today's video. Yan, bukas ulit. Charge lang. Then lakad-lakad ulit. Thank you.